Hey guys, iHARI here. My lightning cable is not working. Bought a lightning cable from Portronics. Let's unbox this. So this is the cable from Portronics. This is the grey color. There is also option for black color. So this is the cable itself. This cable is so durable. It is like so bendy. So this is an 8-pin connector, not the 16-pin connector like the Apple's one. This cable also supports for fast charging. This is an 1.2 length cable. So this is the cable from Portronics. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.